Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send photos in TikTok message. So right now I'm on TikTok message with my friend Wizzy Wister, but as you guys can see I don't see any button over here which I can click to upload photo. But there is a way through which you guys can send photo to your friends, alright, in TikTok, and that is to make a TikTok video and include that photo on your TikTok video. So TikTok allows you to create a video out of a photo, and once you create a video using a photo, you can paste it on your friend as a video and he can see the photo. Once he sees it, he can delete the video and it's done. Alright, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's jump into the video. First step, you click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen and click on where it says upload at the side of your screen at the bottom right corner, and over here you want to choose your photo. So I want to upload this photo. Click on next. Once you do that, a video using that photo is going to be automatically be created. Once you click on post, wait for some time until it's posted, and once it's posted it should be good. Alright, so mine has not been posted until now, so it's not showing up over here. So let's wait for a bit, and it's posted. I'm gonna go on the video. Now this is the photo I want to share. Now what I can do is click on the three dot at the bottom right of the screen. You can see TikTok friends, click on it. So for some reason this video is under review, so I can't share it with my friends. But if this video was not under review, let me show you guys how you guys could have, send it to your friend. So for an example, I'm going to take this video. I click on the three dot, click on TikTok friends and choose Wizzy Wister, click on send. It is going to be sent to him, and as you guys can see now I can go on inbox and it's over here just like this, as you guys can see. But in your case, send the video in which the photo is included. Alright, and once it's done you can delete it. So I'm going to delete it right now. Click on the video, click on the three dot, scroll to the side, click on delete, and it'll be deleted like that. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.